So what is yin and yang? Hi, I'm Dr. Christy, board certified acupuncturist and herbalist, and this is a question that I receive all the time. So I thought it would be fun to go through acupuncture vocabulary, Chinese medicine vocabulary actually, where we dive into these words that we use in clinic and we might also hear in everyday life. So let's start at the beginning. So what is yin and yang? So when I say that term, most people think of the yin and yang symbol, which is the white up above and the dark down below that has this S curve in the middle and that has two dots of the opposite color. And it symbolizes balance, also the interconnectedness in all things and the duality in all things. And so the top white area is the yang part and the bottom black area is the yin part. And the way I remember this is a story I heard in grad school. And they talked about a mountain and the sun coming up on the mountain and the sun being very young, shining on the side of the mountain. So the side of the mountain that is lit and warm, that is the yang side. The opposite side of the mountain that is in the shadow is the cool side, the darker side, the more feminine side. And so we see this duality in all things. In clinic, we see it in the body. So the top of the body is more of the yang side, the bottom is more of the yin. The front of the body is more yin and the back of the body is more yang. And we also use it in terms of how we use our energy through the day. So when the sun is out in the daytime, that's more yang. That's when we are more active, when we do more. The nighttime is more yin. That's when we find rest. That's when we recuperate energy. So we have that balance to use energy through the day. Another way that people hear the term yin is mostly in yin yoga, which is a slower yoga where we work on elongating muscles and it's very slow, still movement. A lot of times it's also dark in the room and it's really relaxing and it provides a space to go inward, which is also very yin. Some people ask me, so what is yang yoga? And I guess it's anything that's warm, that's fast. So maybe like hot yoga, rocket yoga, things that are really like fast paced and sweat inducing. And so we find the balance in these activities in general as well. And that's another way in clinic where we talk about how we spend our energy. Are there times in the day when we're really active and sweating a lot? And is there equal amount of time in the night when we're recuperating from that activity? So this is one of the ways that we find that balance. So I'm so glad we got to talk about this today. I find yin and yang everywhere in my life. And I love that we can always be in the pursuit of this balance. So I'll see you next time when we talk about qi and meridians and more to come from acupuncture vocabulary.